Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert, and today I'm out here at mini Ethiopian cafe to try some Ethiopian breakfast of champions. What's the hype about Ethiopian breakfast? It makes them strong, and I want to be strong and become a good runner. So I'm here just for that. So stay tuned till the end. Let's enjoy some Ethiopian breakfast of champions. So here's a Genfo. It's a steak porridge with some sauce right there. Looks like a spicy sauce. Butter. Looks good. Yogurt, butter. It looks like more of like ugali in Tanzania, or like maybe a fufu. But again, this is a breakfast item, so let's give it a shot. Cheers. It's exactly what I thought. It tastes like ugali. The flavor is coming from this butter as well as the red pepper. Different for breakfast. I like the warm butter and the pepper. No wonder Ethiopians are strong, because this is your breakfast of champions. Now, I'm not sure with the yogurt, what do you do with the yogurt? I'm not sure if you dip it in here. Please comment and let me know. I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. So I guess maybe I'm going to try to dip it in here. Sour. You can comment and let me know. Do people sometimes try this one with, your beef tips or your chicken? It looks like it's more of an energy intense meal. By the time you're done here, you have a lot of energy to run miles and miles. Yeah, that's great. It's different. It's a great experience, and we do have a second dish as well coming up. This is Ethiopian scrambled eggs with some tomatoes, onions, green pepper, and some sardines. It smells like sardine. And it's got a basket of warm bread. Doesn't get better than that. Bread. Looks good. Fresh, spongy, really good. Grab a handful of scrambled eggs. Know the goodness of the sardines and onions and tomatoes. Very delicious. I didn't think like you can do like scrambled eggs with some sardines, but this is my first time trying that, and indeed, it's perfect. I'm gonna pour a little bit of the red spicy pepper here. It's very spicy. All right, then I'm gonna load up my bread. Some eggs and sardines. Cheers. Cheers. That's really good. And very spicy too. With the red pepper, the chili powder pepper. It's perfect. Oh man, that's very flavorful. I like the crunchiness from the onions, the green pepper, and the sweetness that comes from the tomato. Oh, this is good. It's perfect. I'm gonna make a little sandwich here. pour a little bit of butter in there too. Just a little bit. Look at that. That's really good. I like the yogurt because it's sour, healthy sour yogurt. First time trying Ethiopian breakfast, and indeed, I agree. This is a breakfast of champions. Again, the food is very good, quality ingredients. It's made to order. I'm gonna leave the address on the description box if you happen to be in the Columbus area. Please stop by and enjoy some amazing Ethiopian breakfast. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Until next time, be safe out there.